Doors closing.
We're going on the elevator.
Okay.
You see yourself on the screen? You like when it's black
Deck
or when it
4.
has your picture on it? Which way?
Doors opening. Going up.
No, we're going to 10.
Doors
Go back to the
closing.
room.
I don't even know when it is.
Doors closing.
Okay.
Turn around.
Well, I'll say
Fine.
thank you for pointing that out.
Thank you.
Doors opening.
Not yet.
Going up. Doors closing.
Oh, oh.
Doors opening. Going up.
It sounded like I put it there, but I didn't know if he wanted her to see it or.
Oh, yeah.
Deck
I
10.
believe they put it down when I was a kid around.
Doors opening.
Oh, it's a squeaky one. Great.
Going up.
El 11. No, 11. Sí, uno más arriba. Ajá. Ok, perfecto. Víctor, ¿abaje? Sí,
Oh, no, squeaky dog!
The old one or the new one?
What?
Okay, so watch out, there's somebody behind you. You're going to your room? Okay. Okay, come back when you're done. Oh, Stephanie, what is it? Oh my goodness. What is that? Let me read it, please.
That's my favorite animal.
Towel book. Did you do how to make towel animals?
Mommy, I like
Oh, we got
it.
something. What is it? I haven't touched yet.
Why?
Man, the water
What is
looks
it?
amazing.
Look at my butt. I gotta get
Whoa, whoa!
The camera's on. What are you doing? Why are you taking your pants off in the middle of the floor? Go to the bathroom. Sissy.
Come in here.
I don't want to come in there. Hurry up. I gotta go to the bathroom too. She's never just taking her pants off like that.
Hey, what is it?
We got the newer one.
Can they-